If you don't like missing out but still love Coldplay, then snag Infinity tickets today. Infinity tickets for Coldplay's Music of the Spheres World Tour in Abu Dhabi go on sale today at 12 p.m. GST. These tickets are just AED 74 and give you a shot at seeing Coldplay live no matter your budget. But here's the catch, you can only buy two and they've got to be purchased in pairs. And guess what? The seats are randomly assigned, so you might end up with a prime spot. This is your last chance to be part of a show that's already sold out globally and is renowned for its mind-blowing visuals and interactive light shows. Head to infinity.coldplay.com at 12 p.m. GST sharp. Set your alarms, mark your calendars, do whatever it takes. With tickets priced this low and demand sky high, they won't last long. Remember, no resales, no transfers, just pure unadulterated Coldplay magic. Don't miss out on this unforgettable experience. Grab your Infinity tickets now.